Welcome everyone. I'm going to explain you how you can use Mystery Contact Finder tool, your very own contact finder tool, not only on LinkedIn, but you can use it now on Zaubacorp, Insta Financial, Toffler, and even on Crunchbase to find the directors data available on these websites, which is very hard to find. And this tool makes it super, I would say amazing to find it with instantly one click. Your very own tool will now work on these websites. And it's simple, it's just one click. All you need to do is just go to your extension and then let the extension activate by visiting any profile. Once the tool activates, you click on My Dashboard or on Upgrade, any of it to go to your dashboard. Now you will see this option that says Global Extension. Now in order for your tool to work on the websites, you have to basically connect your email ID with your mystery tool. So click on this email and you can use any of the Gmail ID to connect it. Simply use one email, that's it. Your email ID is now connected. You will see an option that says your email is connected. Now the access to these websites is not available instantly. You basically have to email us to support@easyleads.com once to get your free trial activated. After that, once your trial is over, and if you want to use it continuously on all these websites, you have to purchase annual growth plan and higher plans to use these websites and get the contact of directors or even on Crunchbase by using the mystery tool. Once you have used it, you basically now have to go on these websites to check how it works. I'm going to explain you how it works on Zaubacorp. So you go to Zaubacorp, select any company. Let's say I want to get contact data of this company. So I click on this. This is the company page. The tool will also work on the director pages. Yeah, so if you notice, the tool automatically gets up here. Now, if you don't see this auto logged in, you can log out once, go to the same tool again and log in. If you see the login button, just use the same email ID that you have used to connect your mystery tool. And the tool will be logged in afterwards. Now, if you want to get the contact data of this company, I will see the list of directors of this company mentioned on mystery tool. Let's say I want contact data of any of these person. I go there. I can get the contact number from here by clicking here. I'll just show you a few examples on how the tool works. Let's just try to find contact data of this person, this company. The tool will find the number instantly, real time. And if the number is available, it will display it here. That's it. This is the number which is available for this person. Similar way, this tool you can use it on all the company pages and director pages. Hope this is helpful to you.